Cooking with the king again. Now this, you have to wait for the end before I tell you. A surprise thing about this dish. Okay? Alright. Now, go around here so you can look at it. Get a good angle of it. Get a good angle of it. Right there, like that angle right there. Like that angle. But I better yet like this angle here. Like that angle there. What about right there? What about right here? Right there? Okay. Anyway, so what this is here is hamburger with egg, okay, and cheese. So it's like a veggie cheese. It ain't the real milk, anything like that. Now, unfortunately, the meat is, it did not say it is, how can I say it? Organic, so, but if you're going to make hamburgers, make sure they are from organic animals, okay? So, you have your spinach, and the reason the spinach is in the middle with the pepper is because you can break up the beef and sprinkle it on here and then roll up the spinach and then eat it. This is your parsley right here, okay? The white that you see in here, the white is the sea salt. The sea salt. 3 different peppers, okay? 3 different peppers. You got dark red, and just from different, elements of ripeness. So you have the red, the dark red, and you have your green. That is not all the way ripe, okay? And those are sweeter, actually. They said they would be not sweet, but they are. They're actually sweet. So this is the dish here. Got all that. Okay. You might say, King, why are you doing so much cooking? Because I am educating y'all and just inspiring those who are, and even though this is not organic meat, I'm just letting you know, hey, when you get your land, make sure you have organic animals on your land. Organic food, okay? Fruits, vegetables, okay? And then on the beef, you see the red right there. Still got some peppers in there. Peppers right there. Okay. And they got eggs. So if you have egg, make sure you have your organic chickens. Okay. Feed them very well. And you make your organic cheese, okay, and not from animal milk. I mean from like lime main, mushroom, your coconut, your almond milk. I keep hearing people say, "Oh, all this other milk." No, no, no. Any milk from anything organic is good. Okay, stop letting people lie to y'all. Okay, all right. See there. So just wanted to come in here and show this off. Now, don't know if you're ready for this, but I'm gonna tell you. This plate is made for a guest. Not a guest, but she live here with me. It's my dog. This plate is for my dog. She's living in the lap of luxury, and I am the chef for, let's see, Madam Hershey. Yeah, Madam Hershey. You call her Madam Hershey. Yeah. I haven't ate any meat today. Okay. Been messing with vegetables and fruits all day. Just to let y'all know. Okay. So, I keep dropping them on y'all. Okay. I got some important videos coming up. Um, I got one dealing with assets that y'all did not know. It might be called assets you did not know you had. Okay. And man, for all those that have been in the group, the university, y'all gonna find out some assets that y'all did not know that y'all had. Okay. Whoa, I'm telling you. This next video is gonna blow y'all clearly away. Y'all gonna be knocked out. Now, um, also should I do that same thing? I think I'm gonna do another video on that. Then I'm gonna do another video. There's another video that I'm gonna make, and it's dealing with the gold that state of Florida has said that they are doing for whatever money. Say that. They didn't say that, but I'm gonna get into that video and I'm gonna break that down for y'all because y'all are being blindsided. Okay, y'all being blind. Y'all being dumbed down. Okay, and I don't know if Yusavelle made a video on this or not, but you definitely need to make a video on this. Looking at this. Okay, so let me turn this light on here. Turn it off. Turn it on. Kind of like the light on. Make it a little dreamy. But again, anytime I do Cooking with the King is all about health. Okay. Of course, Hershey can eat it. She do more walking than me, I tell you. But lately she's been lazy. But this again is to inspire y'all to be organic, focus on your land for your bloodline, and it'll be all about trade. So Stevian's King Drake's here got some cows out there, and he want to trade. It'll be good, be very good. Okay, some organic chickens that I have, can trade eggs. No milk, not dealing with that crap there. Okay, spinach, cilantro, okay, peppers. I'm still gonna have another video. That's the third video with the different vegetables and fruits that I have growing. Okay, so y'all be on the lookout for that. But be on the lookout for the video about the gold. What these states are duping y'all with, and yeah. But Be on the look out for the other video about the assets, the unknown assets that y'all didn't know y'all had. Man, if y'all would have known this, I'm telling y'all gonna feel like slapping y'all selves. So you got 3 videos coming, and you really, 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 really need to pay close attention to these. Okay? I said, King, why you got them napkins right there? Well, it looked good. I just, because I could have put something right there, could have put something right there, could have put something right there, put something right there, put something right there. But I did. I was gonna go a little crazy with the decorations. Okay? King, the food getting cold. Matter of fact, I want to taste this. I want to taste this, see what it tastes like. Let's see. Take this knife here. Let me see. Which one? That one a little better. You see that one? That one. You can see the egg all on that one right there. See that? Let's take a piece of this one. Cut just like a cake. Trying to cut it just right. And then you got them peppers right there. So I'm gonna lift that up. Try to cut that. I'm gonna put that right there. Put that back here. I'm gonna put it with the cilantro, this one right here. Let me find a big piece. I'm gonna put it right there. Put it right there. You see that right there? So let me roll that up. It wasn't for me, but I'm finna eat it anyway. Got the pepper on there. Push that out to the side. Still got that pepper right there. King, stop playing with the food. They say spinach is not good, but that ain't what I heard from a lot of people. It's like an argument with that one. But anyway, so there goes. Cheers. Let's see what it tastes like. I sea salt. Definitely doing justice. Not happy with the egg. Tastes like scrambled cheese eggs though. Put that down. Okay. Deal with that. And take this red pepper. Put it in there. And that was a yellow pepper there. It's all right. Does taste good though. Tastes real good. My goodness. That tastes very luxurious. How can food taste luxurious, King? Because I made it. Now, you're going to taste with the cilantro. I think that might be parsley. I got 2 of them mixed up. I'm trying to roll this joker. Roll it like a joint, King. Can't catch it. Anyway. Cheers. Got the red on there. See the red right there? All right. Here we go. Now that one tastes more cleaner. That tastes way more cleaner. Cilantro. Dang. Man, it brings the freshness out of that meat and that sea salt. That sea salt. Man, that makes it pop. I don't know if y'all noticed, but when you use sea salt, you don't kill it with it. You just put it in different areas. And when you go in your mouth and those taste buds hit it, man, it's like a perfect balance. Very perfect balance. That's my egg right there. Put that egg right there. Okay. This. It's beautiful. Got to dab up my mouth with this one. Yeah. So good. So good. Hmm. I'm gonna have to order some organic meat. Okay. They said beef stays in you for about 30 days. But and the problem with beef is they said you want to give the animals organic meat. I'm gonna tell you the problem with that. If the animals are not letting that grass that you give it out, then it stay in the animal's body, and like the fruit, give you a good example, and it gets mold on the fruit. So depends on what the animal's eating. You know, if it doesn't break down and it stays in their body and it gets in your body, and that meat, the vegetables that it ate is inside of the meat, the nutrients and everything is inside, they haven't spit it out of his body, then it will be mildew. Okay? So they got to have that high turnover of whatever it's eating. Okay? And that also lets me know when you have animals and you kill it, you need to let that animal fast. You need to let that animal fast before you kill it. You gotta let it out. Okay? Because you don't want to take in that's still in his body. You might have to detox the animal before you kill it. I'm just telling y'all what I learned from how things remain in your body for a long time. Okay? All right? But that's it, kings and queens. Be on the lookout for those next 3 videos. Now, peace. King, you're putting spinach in my face. You got juicy that way. Yeah.